like a song I can't unlearn. I delete you, then I miss you. Watch my reels all crash and burn. I should walk away, I don't. I should cut the cord, I won't. Every time you say my name, hits me like a voltage jolt. You won't ever stop talking, running all the lights, getting high on drama. Yeah, you save me, save my battery. I could give it all to you, plug into my mind, getting high on the drum. You bring me back my battery, my battery, my battery. You pull me close, then you let it bleed. My battery, my battery. I hate how you let it be. My battery, my battery. You pull me close, then you let it bleed. My battery, my battery. I hate how you let it be. I saw my name in the steam on glass, faded slow like it knew it to pass. Left a smile in a voice I knew, but it echoed in a different hue. It's out of me, not lost but free, like static dreams that slip the key. You touch the part I couldn't see, and left it humming quietly. Every mirror bends the light, shows a self that's not quite right. And I wave at me, then float away. It's out of me, not loud, not clear, but close enough to feel it near. You never stayed, but didn't flee, just shimmered out of gravity. And love perhaps was just a scene that tore inside a waking dream. It's out of me, not lost but free, like static dreams that slip the key. You touch the part I couldn't see, and left it humming quietly. Ice cubes melt in a tall, slow glass. Radio plays with the brass lines pass. Bare feet sway on the warm wood floor. Every little minute wants one more. The sun leans low, calling out my name. Even the clouds play a drifting game. Lazy summer days, rolling like waves away. Nothing to prove, nowhere to race. Just the tide and the soft parade of lazy summer days. Lemon light through the curtains falls, or postcards hum in the quiet halls. Ceiling fan turns in the golden heat. Life takes a nap, skips a gentle beat. The breeze writes notes it will never send. Time's on holiday, no need to end. Lazy summer days, rolling like waves away. Nothing to prove, nowhere to race. Just the tide and the let the minutes stretch like honey in the sun. If nothing gets done, maybe that's the fun. Colors get slow and the air turns sweet. Even my heartbeat takes a seat. Lazy summer days, rolling like waves away. Nothing to prove, nowhere to race. Just the tide and the soft parade of lazy summer days. It's a new emotion, a new type of day. What if it was love, but it don't look that way? I try to get it back the way I knew it before, when I first met you and I felt it. What if it was love? What if it was love, but it don't look that way? Oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no. There's a full moon tonight. I can't sleep, and it's not from a lie. Now the sky feels wider, the colors start to play. Maybe what we lost just found another way. I try to get it back the way I knew it before, when I first met you and I felt it. What if it was love? What if it was love, but it don't look that way? Oh no, I know, I know, I know. There's a full moon tonight. I can't sleep, and it's not from a Your name still hums out loud, but I walk through every cloud. Used to thinking what if seas. Now I float on present breeze. You're not mine now, and that's alright. Yeah, we burned out, but that's the lie. I fall, I stand, I spin somehow, but I land in my now. Yeah, my now. No gold crown, no big wow, just a breath and it's enough now. I don't fake, I don't bow, I just breathe in my now.